I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select GiveWP. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Connect. Successfully connected with GiveWP. Click Next. Choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create a Donor. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GiveWP. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now navigate to the GiveWP dashboard. Go to the donors list. Here is the data that came into GiveWP through the integration. Thanks for watching.